3, 2, 1.
Hundreds came out for the ribbon cutting of Cassell Park Elementary. Hugs and excitement around every corner as teachers, students, parents, and community members celebrated the completion of the Independent School District's 20th elementary school.
We had a wonderful turnout for the open house and the ribbon cutting, and I'm so excited that the community came out to support us in these efforts, and I'm so thankful for our community. They approved a $38 million bond issue that made all of this possible.
Tim and Sarah Devney proudly supported the bond to eliminate mobile trailers in the district and ease overcrowding.
We have been concerned about overcrowding in schools because that has been an issue in this area. And so we are super excited that we were able to pass the bond and we're able to build this school so the kids, class size matters. And, I'm very excited about that the kids are going to have this experience.
We've been really happy that, the voters here in Independence, supported our kids and all the kids in the school district, and the improvements at the high schools and then definitely this brand new school.
Their son John says he's never been in a brand new school before, and he was impressed.
It felt really good about knowing that I would be going to this school next year, and I'm really excited.
Cassell Park Elementary has the latest technology with an expansive media center and Project Lead the Way classroom for STEM and hands-on learning. These widened hallways allow for collaborative student workspaces for enrichment and small group opportunities.
Home. It feels just like home.
Being part of Cassell Park is a blessing just to be the principal and be here. The excitement in the eyes of our children, our patrons, our parents, teachers. It's a dream come true.
It's beautiful and our kids are really lucky to be able to go here.
Just excited to see, our kids part of this and this new chapter in the Independent School District's history and this community.